In April of this year, the technical interview landscape has shifted. It's no longer just about what you know, it's about how you manage information in real time. Today, we're deep diving into Verve AI, specifically its coding Copilot, which has become the secret weapon for developers navigating high-stakes live coding rounds. Alright then, so this year's technical interview is a different beast. Systems are more complex and expectations are higher. If you're still going into live coding rounds with just a whiteboard and a prayer, you're playing on hard mode. Today, we're looking at Verve AI, not just a coding assistant, but a specialized interview copilot. We're going to cover everything: how to set it up without being detected, the pricing models that actually make sense, and of course a step-by-step tutorial on using its real-time neural code engine during a lead code round. Let's see if this is the tool that finally lands you in that senior dev offer. Right then, so the first thing is setting up your command center. So just head over to the official websites. You can sign up using Google or Youth or a standard email. Press on sign up. And now as you can see, we have 5 total ways to sign up. You can just use your static email address. You can use your Apple ID, GitHub, Google account, and also what is this? Give me a second. Oh, it's LinkedIn, okay. And after you're signed up, let me also actually sign up or sign in. Then we can start working. Okay, and once you're in, you'll see 2 options, browser and desktop app. So you can just create the live interview right here, start Copilot, or you can also grab the desktop app right here. And for coding interviews, download the desktop app. Browser extensions are too easily detected by modern anti-cheat tabs. The desktop app runs as a low-level process, which is essential for stealth mode. Okay, we just downloaded for Windows. Alright, so just like you've done before in our browser. Okay, so just like you've done before in our browser, just log in with your preferred way. Alright, there you go, and now we are successfully logged in. Let me just drag this so that it's bigger for you guys. Okay, and then we have the onboarding. You can verify your email and then, and this is crucial, upload your resume and the job description. So in our case, it's going to be this interview profiles tab, okay? And this is where you create a new profile. As you can see, you can use the resume builder and manage resumes. And as you can see, you can upload your new resume or just fill it in the resume builder, so whatever you prefer. So this is crucial. And Verve uses this to tailor its suggestions so they sound like you, not a generic LLM. And before we continue, guys, of course, it's pretty important, let's talk briefly about the pricing. So Verve has structured its plans to match your job search intensity. So, for example, Free Explorer plan is, of course, free, and it's best for casual practice and 3 mini sessions. Then the next one we have is Pro or Standard, firstly Standard. It's about $17, and it is for the active interviewers or interviewees. It's for 16-minute sessions. And then we have the Pro, which is recommended. It's about $35. It's for serious offer seekers, includes unlimited coding Copilot sessions and stealth mode plus. And in general, the Pro plan is the gold standard for technical roles. If one 35 month gets you a 150k salary, the ROI is mathematically undeniable. And also, before we start, let me quickly show you and tell you about the pros and cons. So the pros is as follows. Now you can take a screenshot of a problem and it proves the logic, time complexity, and code in under 500 milliseconds. And then stealth invisibility. On your screen, it looks like a transparent overlay. To the interviewer on Zoom or Google Meet, it's completely invisible. Then accent recognition. It supports 91 plus languages, so it doesn't matter where your interviewer is from. In the cons, we have eye tracking risks. So if you stare at the suggestions too long, it's obvious you're reading. So you have to land the peripheral glance. And also it provides the solution, but it won't type it for you. You still need to understand the why to explain it to the interviewer. Okay, and now the meat of the tutorial. So when the interviewer shares the problem, you can use the Verve hotkey. In order to start the interview, guys, just start it with this button, Start Interview. You can upload your resume, all of this stuff, press Next, choose the time limit. Okay, so in our case, I can't change it because I'm on a free tier, but if you buy a subscription, you will have 60 minutes easily. Choose the language, LLM model, and always ensure that the stealth mode is enabled, and then launch the session. And for example, in our case, we can just launch the test interview like
Welcome
this.
to Verve AI.
And I'm going to just mute our AI assistant so that it doesn't bother us. And as I talk, it can hear me and actually answer. In order to share the audio as well, don't forget to give it the access to your microphone. It's easy here, you can sort this out. And also Verve uses the OCR. It's to read the prompt. In your sidebar, it will instantly display the solution in your preferred language, let's say Python. And if you're stuck on a system design question, you can also toggle the system design mode. It won't just give you the code, it will give you a verbal script on how to explain load balances and database sharding using the star method. And if the interviewer asks, can we optimize the space complexity, you can whisper to Verve via a quick text prompt and it will give you the alternative instantly. Alright, so you give the audio permission. As you can see, you can choose from yours. I will use my fine microphone. There you go. Now it's getting, as you can see, the access to it. And now our bot and our AI can hear us. Alright guys, and in general, the job market this year is a competition of efficiency. Verve AI doesn't just give you the answers, it gives you the confidence to lead the conversation. If this deep dive helped you prepare for your next big interview, smash that like button and subscribe.